doing, sweetie? Whoa! You okay? Here. You gonna make a snow angel? I missed the first one. No, no, not at the road, sweetie. Over here. You don't want to play on the road. What are you doing? Oh, that's very pretty, sweetie. Is this the first snowfall? Whoa! Are you trying to get a snowball to get me? Ah!
For me, that sweet melody called doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo. I like the rest, but what I like best is doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo.
What did you win?
Simply a thing, there's nothing much to it. Don't have to sing, just doodle-doo-doo it. I love it so, wherever I go, I doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Fun thanks.
Oh, sweetie. This is sweetie.
Yeah?
Hi, sweetie.
Yeah, sweetie. Your car. Seng-kyi. Come on, buddy.
Whoa.
Come on, thanks. Yeah. You cleaning her off?
Whoa.
I know, lots of snow.
Whoa.
Full?
Down there.
You're doing a good job, sweetie. We were supposed to get a lot more snow than what we got here. Yeah. Those are your new unicorn gloves, sweetie? And unicorn shoes. And unicorn jacket. Boots. Okay.
What?
You found grass. You dug deep. There was no snow yesterday, right? Yeah. How's it coming along? Good? Let's see. Whoa. That looks nice, sweetheart. You gonna make another one? You need a tiny what? Hole? Well, make a little hole. Making a hole in the snow? What snow? Hold on. Wait 1 sec. You're gonna throw that at me. Ah! Hey.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, snow.
Yeah, you.
Did you throw snow on me? Ah! What if I throw snow? Snow monster!
Ah!
Ah! Oh, you got me good. Hey! This isn't fair. I'm gonna come. Okay, I'm gonna get you now. Ah! You better run. You better run. Aha! Oh no! Not another snow fight. I keep losing those. Ah! You got me good. You want to go in there? Locked up for the winter. What do you think?
Can it go over here?
Yeah, hold on.
That's all there is. There isn't.
You made it in.
Wow. More snow angels. Come on, sweetie. You're tired running in the snow, sweets. Yeah? Oh no. I can't get over that.
I was gonna watch you from here. Is that okay? I'm just gonna. You're gonna jump? Oh. This one's a slanted one. Whoa! Yeah, it's not a bad flat surface, right?
I just want the middle one.
Little and narrow.
They're all slow.
This one looks tricky. Be careful. You good? This one's all. Whoa! Pretty. Oh, the hard one. You gonna climb to the top of this one again?
Yeah.
I know. Hold on. Got Daddy's hand?
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah.
Big jump. Okay, you be careful, okay? You're a little daredevil. And Daddy doesn't like having a little... Hold on, wait there for a sec. Whoa. Daddy doesn't like having a little daredevil as a daughter. Again? Okay, let's do it again. How come you're the one climbing and jumping, Daddy's the one getting tired? Okay, you good? Hold on. Get your balance. You got your balance? Whoa! Hey, you get up on a little one. You know that. You cleaned off all this stuff. Now it's cannonball. You be careful. Thank you, sweetie. What do you think of all the snow? You're playing cannonball. Where'd you learn cannonball? In the water? Yeah. You know how to get up. You're teasing Daddy again, aren't you? Help, help.
Help. You trying to swim? More cannonball. Oh, that's... Where do you get your energy from? No way. It's just there, right?
Oh, attack of the munchkin. Help, help.